Buying a used car can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. It promises freedom, mobility, and independence, but also comes with risks. Used vehicles often hide mechanical issues, prior accidents, or poor maintenance habits that can cost you thousands in unexpected repairs. Many first-time buyers rely on luck or superficial inspections, only to face expensive consequences later. The good news is that you don't need a mechanic's certification or hours of detailed testing to uncover potential problems. A repeatable 10-minute routine focusing on key checks can reveal the car's true condition and save you serious money. This test covers cold starts, idling behavior, brakes, fluids, wash tires, electronics, and the exterior, giving you the confidence to buy wisely. With careful attention to each step, anyone can spot red flags, negotiate better, and avoid common pitfalls when purchasing a used car. Let's watch. 1. Cold start observation. The first step in any used car inspection is the cold start. A cold start means starting the engine after it has been off for several hours, ideally overnight. This moment reveals the health of the engine more clearly than a warm start because worn components and neglected maintenance are more noticeable when the engine is cold. Listen carefully to the engine as it turns over. A smooth, immediate start is a good sign, while prolonged cranking, sputtering, or unusual noises may indicate problems with the battery, starter motor, or engine internals. Knocking, ticking, or rattling noises can hint at worn bearings, timing chain issues, or other internal engine problems. Examine the exhaust as the engine fires up. Excessive smoke is a red flag. Blue smoke indicates burning oil, white smoke can indicate coolant leaks, and black smoke may suggest too much fuel is being burned. Check the dashboard for warning lights. They should illuminate briefly and then turn off. Persistent lights may reveal sensor issues, pending repairs, or a history of neglected maintenance. Paying attention during this first minute of starting the car can save you significant money and frustration later. Many serious mechanical problems become obvious in these early seconds, making the cold start a critical first step in your inspection. 2. Idle and engine behavior. After the engine starts, why allow it to idle for a few minutes before driving? This period gives insight into the car's ongoing engine health. At idle, the engine should run smoothly without noticeable vibrations, RPM fluctuations, or stalling. Listen for unusual sounds such as hissing, whistling, or irregular ticking, which could indicate vacuum leaks, exhaust problems, or worn components. Modern cars can sometimes mask mechanical issues electronically, but a trained ear can detect subtle warning signs. Would pay attention to the overall smoothness of the engine. A car that idles consistently and quietly is less likely to have major mechanical problems, while irregular idling can hint at issues that could become costly down the line. This simple, non-invasive check is a cornerstone of the 10-minute test, giving you a snapshot of the engine's reliability. 3. Braking feel and responsiveness. Brakes are among the most crucial safety components of any car, and testing them is essential before purchasing. Even minor brake issues can become major safety risks if ignored. During a low-speed test drive or while stationary, press the brake pedal firmly. The pedal should feel solid and responsive, not spongy or soft. The car should stop evenly without pulling to one side, which can indicate uneven pad wear, warped rotors, or suspension issues. Listen closely for sounds such as squealing, grinding, or clunking while braking. Uneven braking, unusual sounds, or pedal inconsistencies can lead to expensive repairs. Assessing brakes in a controlled environment ensures that the car is safe to drive and helps avoid costly surprises later. Proper braking assessment during your 10-minute test is a practical and reliable safety check. 4. Fluid levels and leak inspection. Fluids are the lifeblood of a car, yet many buyers overlook them during inspections. Checking fluid levels and looking for leaks is quick, informative, and can prevent major repair bills. Start with engine oil. Check its color, consistency, and level. Dark, gritty oil may suggest poor maintenance or overdue oil changes, while low oil levels can indicate leaks or consumption issues. Transmission fluid should be clean and at the proper level. Burnt smelling or dark fluid signals potential transmission wear. Inspect brake fluid, coolant, and windshield washer fluid, looking for proper levels and clarity. Next, examine under the car for leaks or puddles. Oil, coolant, transmission fluid, or brake fluid leaks can hint at neglected maintenance, gasket failures, or worn seals. Even minor leaks can become major mechanical problems if left unaddressed. Regular maintenance often prevents fluid issues, but spotting signs of neglect early can save thousands. This step is fast and requires minimal tools, just a flashlight and careful observation. Fluids and leaks provide an immediate picture of how the car has been cared for over time. 5. Tire condition and suspension check. Tires and suspension significantly affect safety, handling, and comfort. Inspecting them is quick yet highly informative. Examine each tire for tread depth, sidewall integrity, and uneven wear. Uneven wear can indicate misalignment, suspension issues, or improper tire rotation, all of which can lead to expensive repairs. In tires in good condition and a well-functioning suspension ensure a smooth, safe ride. Worn suspension parts can affect braking, steering, and tire longevity, and replacement costs can be surprisingly high. By combining visual inspection with a tactile test, you can quickly assess whether the car has been maintained properly or may require immediate investment. This check also provides insight into overall ride quality and safety. 6. Electronics and interior functionality. Modern cars are packed with electronics, from headlights and turn signals to infotainment systems and climate control. While mechanical issues get most attention, faulty electronics can be costly and inconvenient. Test every light, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, hazard lights, and interior lighting. Operate windows, door locks, mirrors, and dashboard features to ensure proper functionality. Check the air conditioning, heating, and infotainment systems for responsiveness. Even small electrical issues, like a malfunctioning power window or dashboard warning light, can be expensive to fix due to the complexity of modern wiring. Ensuring that all electronics function properly during your 10-minute test prevents future surprises and improves comfort, convenience, and safety. A comprehensive electronics check is especially important in used cars, as previous owners may have neglected repairs or installed aftermarket modifications that can fail over time. 7. Exterior and body inspection. A careful walk around can reveal issues that affect both safety and value. Check the car's exterior for dents, scratches, rust, or mismatched paint. Even minor cosmetic issues can hint at larger underlying problems, from structural damage to neglected maintenance. By spotting these issues early, you gain leverage in negotiations or the opportunity to walk away from a risky purchase. A thorough exterior check rounds out the 10-minute test, ensuring the car is not only mechanically sound, but also structurally and visually reliable. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.